Hello, I'm trying a new thing today. I'm going to be doing an unboxing video of my Christmas gifts for my family just for fun. So this one, I think I know what it is. Let's open it up. This is for my daughter. She recently got into this person. Oh, that sound is my cat attacking my light cord. Anyway, she got into this person and liked one of her songs, which was pretty cool because this album is way older than my daughter. So I'm excited for that. The next one, oh, these aren't wrapped yet. These ones I bought at the store. Let's see what we have. Oh, another fan favorite. I'm sure a lot of people are getting this for Christmas. It is super heavy, but it wasn't as expensive as I thought it was going to be. So I think she'll like looking at that. And of course, you can't get that without the CD. She already has the one that came out a while ago, but this one has all of the songs on it, so we're excited. These ones are for my husband. He's the man who's hard to shop for, but they are some Watchmen comic books, but these are before Watchmen, and I am 99% sure he hasn't read these ones. So this one is Comedian and Rorschach, and the other one is Minutemen and Silk Spectre. So I think he's going to like these ones a lot. All right. What else did we get? All right, I think I know what this is. This is another one for my daughter. It is a canvas poster. That's my kitten walking through. Oh, yes. She's gonna love this. Awesome. Kitty, what you doing? What are you doing? All right, this one I think is for me. Get my scissors. Is this for me? I don't remember. Oh yeah, this one is for me. Because you know Mom has to get something too. It's true. Alright, and then let's see what is in this one. Oh, these are for my nephew. So my daughter and I read this book a couple summers ago and she loved it. The Swifts, A Dictionary of Scoundrels. And each of the people in their family, they flip open the dictionary and point to a word, and that's what everybody's name is. And their name seems to match their personality. And then we're currently reading the sequel, which is called The Swifts, A Gallery of Rogues. And this one takes place in Paris. So it's pretty good. We haven't finished it yet, but I know my nephew will like these. They were really fun to read. Let's see, what is this one? And the bigger question is, how do you open it? There we go. All kinds of stuff going on. Oh, this is for my husband. He's getting really into the collectibles. He'll probably do a video of him opening these. Hey, kitty! Hey, kitty! What you doing? Very cool. He's gonna like that a lot. And then these aren't wrapped. We got these at the store. These are for my niece. Shirt and a sweater. And then for my other niece, she wanted some bows for her hair, and I may have gone a little bit crazy. I bought every single bow that they had at the store. So 6 different bows. This niece has super long hair, so this will look pretty on her hair. Oh, and then my daughter got my brother for a Secret Santa, and so she got him Uno Flip and a pickleball set for fun. And then we got everybody, we're in Girl Scouts, so we got everybody these dark chocolate peppermint pretzels. They're really good. And then the dulce de leche owls, which are very tiny but super delicious. Alright, here's another box. I know what this one's gonna be. This is for my daughter. I went a little crazy for her this year. Let's see what we got. Oh, awesome. Oh, it's hard to show that. Can you see that? I made it weird, then made it worse. Sorry, this is so hard to show you the whole thing. Awesome. And then this one. And this one. Oh, she's gonna love these. All right, last but not least, we got this package. I know what's in here. Calendars. Did these turn out okay? Oh, awesome. Oops, I accidentally cut this one for the calendar. Awesome. Very cool. Really nice. Sweet. All right. Well, that's my video. Simple but messy. All right. Have a great day.